What is happening, everyone? Luke McGuire here. Now, this is going to be a speeded version of doing a few key things very quickly to get you ready for the launch of Advertmate on the 21st of May, which is a few days from now. The first thing I want to share with you is a really quick speeded demo version of Advertmate, which is, if you have not got your review access yet, you will after you see this. And then I want to quickly share with you about our pre-launch, how I'm going to 3x your pre-launch results. For many of you, this will turn it into a 5-figure, if not multi-5-figure promo right out the gate for you with something that we're doing there, which you're going to want to do because your audience will love you for this. You'll see that in a second. Then we're going to go over the biggest prize drop of 2025, 30 grand in no minimum prizes, but we've gone bigger already and it hasn't even hit pre-launch yet. But again, pre-launch starts on Sunday, so very, very soon. So inside of Advertmate, if you haven't logged into it before, this is what it looks like. And the key thing with this tool, Advertmate is a software that doesn't just tell you what to do or what to write or how to format your ad or anything like that. It does all the work for you. It does the ad creation, choosing the ad. It does the uploading of the ad. It optimizes the ad for you. It's not a tool that's going to say, hey, this is what you should do, or copy this text and write and paste it over here into all these ads managers or anything like that. The whole idea of this is to set it, forget it, you're good. Let's do an example. If you're wanting to use Advertmate to completely automate every single step of the ad creation process, because there's going to be some people that are going to want to use this and use the AI for some parts of it, but they just really love the fact that they don't need to have 8 different tabs open for every single ad platform and then have to figure out how to link it all together to try to see if they even make profit overall or not, right? Let's get started. Describe your product or your business or your brand. So you'll hear I've written that I'm wanting to create an ad. It's my first business and I'm trying to create it for a print-on-demand legging company that I want to start, and it focuses on cats. And we all know dog breeds and cat breed products sell really, really well. What's your goal? To make more money and to make more sales and connect with more cat lovers. Spelled that wrong, doesn't matter. We're going to hit generate ideas, right? So say I already knew what ad I wanted to create, because what it's doing now, it's going out and finding the best types of ads for that actual goal, right? Because in Facebook, there's so many different types of ads. There's video ads, there's image ads, there's conversion ads, there's traffic ads, there's retargeting ads, thousands of them, right? Same with every other platform. So what are the best ads going to be for that specific goal? It's going to go and find it for us and give us the recommendation. I'm in here and create any of these types of ads myself. There's for any of these platforms, and then inside of each of these is even more of a subset of ads that you can then select as well if you're already intermediate to advanced marketer. Boom, we've now done that. It's gone and it's found our solutions. It recommends we do Instagram ads or TikTok conversion ads with using video as the main ways to do it, right? So let's go ahead. We'll do Instagram video ads. Now, while that's loading up, what I want to talk about quickly here is the 3x pre-launch method. So what we're going to be doing is throughout this pre-launch, every single day, I'm giving you a high-ticket video of one of my high-ticket ads courses that you're going to give to your audience for free. And that's how you position it. Hey, my good friend Luke, he has a high-ticket ads platform, ads course, because he launched one of the most successful paid ad softwares ever on JVZoo years ago, and which I did. It was called Advertmate, and it was the biggest ad library of all ads ever to have been released in the world for Facebook, Instagram, YouTube, and Google. And essentially what these videos are going to do, help you with getting ads, or launching your first ads in 2025 without the risk, removing all the risk and being able to make as much profit as possible. With the first ad, the first video going to be about how to turn $10 into $100 without wasting a cent. So in this video, I share with them how they can use the different platforms, and they actually can give you ad credit, so they don't even need to be out of pocket to do this. Now, the second video is going to be showing them how I actually took some of this ad credit on TikTok and was able to get 10,000 likes, all from a free ad credit I got from TikTok, and I paid nothing for it. So I'm going to share with them how I did that there. And the goal of this is to get them signed up to a few different platforms, right? A few different ad platforms that they might not have done in the past, as well as frame you and me to be the people that have helped them get free ad credit. Then finally, the third video, the day before the webinar, is going to be showing them how they can actually 5x their results to have AI do a lot of the work, as well as then tease to them how they can even just not do any of the work, but they can still understand what's happening in the background, so they are in control of their business. And that's what we're going to be sharing on the third video. And all you need to do is get them in to opt in for these free videos, and then I do the rest of the work in getting them on the webinar right before launch on the 21st, where I'm giving away all the cash. I'm giving away $1,000 in cash, some prizes, some sponsorships, and some other cool things on that first webinar that they will not want to miss. It is without a doubt the best way for me to make you the biggest promotion you could ever have dream of doing here, and not just for the launch week, for recurring ongoing. All right, so we've done this. It's created our ad for us. Where are we here? Did it do it? If not, I pulled it up here in case it hadn't done it yet. We'll let it generate it again there. But I did it earlier just in case. We've got here what it's going to suggest to us, our audience, 18 to 45. It suggests female that likes pets, fashion, cat memes, and animal. I go in here. It's just like the Instagram ads manager, right? You can go in here and you can change anything in the audience that you want. Select more, select less, choose different countries, everything that you would see normally in the paid ads manager from Meta. Now, this is going to be the same for TikTok, for LinkedIn, for Google. Their ads managers will reflect what they show traditionally on their platform. So again, there's no learning curve here if you've done ads before. If anything, it makes things a lot easier here because we actually explain to you what each section means. Now, say you don't want to use any of the AI, just turn it off, done. But turning it on, it'll build out multiple headlines with multiple descriptive texts and whatnot. And you can see on the right here, we've got our post over here. Now, we've got the option to add more descriptions and whatnot. And again, all of this up until here is in the front end product, right? There's a few little parts inside of here now that are going to be a part of the first upsell, which is our recurring upsell, which again is the one that is going to make you so much money for many years to come. Again, with my past two launches, the last one 5-6 months ago, Advertmate, that $47 recurring option there has now done over 250 grand on that upgrade alone. Insane. That's more than the launch week, or around what the launch week did as a whole. So, and then with the launch prior to that, that one recurring upgrade has done over $1.2 million, right? Insane. So you can go in here, you can upload it, you can click publish. It will then go ahead and publish the ad for you. If you need help with generating templates and whatnot, you can, in here, in our actual media section here, when we're uploading videos or images, we can generate stuff with AI. So I generated these images with AI for this ad of the cats on the leggings. Then you can also go into royalty free. There's designs. And again, we've got an upgrade, which is our template suite, which again, I'm going to run this in this quick video. I'm not going to go through where to find all these things. I'm just showing it to you quickly here. Then you hit post, and once you're out and starts running like it normally would, but the more ads you do on more platforms, Advertmate will then optimize everything on a platform level. So on all your ads on Facebook, it'll work out which ones are the best and put money towards those and not spend as much money on ads that don't work, followed by finally being able to have ads run on multiple platforms, but then have your ads be optimized on what platforms are getting you the best results, so you don't waste money spending ads on platforms that are not getting you results, and you're getting more money made for you by having your ads only spend money where they're meant to, right? It's a lot of words there, but it makes sense, I know. We then get our VIP training upgrades. We've got our white label upgrade as well, so they can brand all of Advertmate with their own logos and whatnot, create license keys, etc. The cool thing though is, well, inside of Advertmate, it's as simple as going to integrations, clicking your integrations here, and you are connected. You never need to log into those platforms again. It's that simple, and it's going to be an insane launch that I cannot wait for you to be a part of. For $37, I think we're doing the early bird for, or even $47 throughout the launch week. It's going to be insane. It's just a no-brainer that I'm so excited for your audience to be a part of and see. Now, when it comes to prizes, 30 grand overall minimum prizes. Then we're doing a first place of $10,000 with the ability for you to even make 20 grand because of the other opening day prizes and stuff that we've got coming in. And then we've got a top 20 prize pool, right? Top 20, which means the positions 20 is still going to win an LCD high definition computer monitor. So insane for a 20th prize. On top of that, what else do I have to say on this one here? Massive opening day prizes. So we've got the pre-launch competition, right? We've got the pre-launch competition and we've got our opening phase comp. And if you win both of those, you're already going to be over $5,000 in profit, just in pricing that you're in the lead to $10,000 with our first place in the main leader draw, right? So make sure to come in and jump in on this with me because it's going to be an absolute no-brainer. I'm here to help you. Simon's here to help, is here to help you. Review access is ready. Anything you need, please reach out. We are here for you. And I did record a longer version of this, even though this has gone for 11 minutes, but there is a longer version where I go into the other upgrades and whatnot. If you want to see that, let me know. If not, just go and grab access and message me wherever you're seeing this and I'll get you anything else you need. All right, guys, appreciate you. See you soon. Bye.